Y'all can sleep on it if you want to. What's up, cousins? It's your Cali country cousin Amber, and I'm back with another video. I was thinking to myself, I know you guys really have been ready for the hair tutorials to come back on my channel. Although I have been continuing to put out videos, a lot of them have been like talks and tips and chit chats and things like that, and that's just because I am still in the process of moving and getting my life together and getting my product stash, you know, back how I want it. I really do want to start back focusing more on the healthy length retention side of my hair journey. So I am going to be not only bringing you guys more hair tutorials coming soon, but also just a lot of real-time tips and things that I've learned and demonstrations and trying new hair growth tactics that aren't too crazy. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel so I know that's something that you want to see. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have already started the process of today's wash day, and all I have in my hair is a rinse out detangler conditioner, which is essentially the whole concept of this video. The other day I uploaded a video where I kind of explained to you guys why I stopped using Aussie Moist, the Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle, and other products like it, just because of how it, you know, affects my hair. And I've talked about this on my channel before, but my favorite cheap, inexpensive, curly girl method friendly detangling conditioner is the VO5. There is one line of VO5, I think it's called like VO5 Professional or something, that does contain silicones in it. So you just have to be careful with it, but just like the basic lines like this one, the bright pink one, and I think there's another one, those are all okay to use. They don't contain silicones, and everything else in the ingredient list is water soluble. And I wanted to come and talk to you guys in this video about slip versus slick. A cousin brought this up in the comment section, and the analogy was perfect. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you guys in real time. And I just literally globbed this conditioner onto my hair, and it's already starting to, that's number one, it's already starting to absorb in my hair. All you see is just a little bit of the remnants around my edges. And that's the thing, the number one thing that I like about silicone free products, especially for my low porosity hair, is that it actually absorbs in my hair. So it's not gonna sit on top. I feel like it is actually absorbing in my hair, and I know because silicones can be, and I'm just gonna start, because silicones can be very deceptive. They'll make your hair feel very soft, but they're just sitting on top of your hair. And this is the definition of slick versus slip. So if you have been a part of the natural hair community, pretty much period, then you've heard the word slip. And essentially slip refers to, you know, how easily your fingers are able to slip through your hair strands based on the product that you're using, how easy it is to detangle your hair. Like this, if I were to put this on any kind of, I almost dropped the brush. If I were to put this on any kind of like and I haven't detangled my hair at all, the slip on this product is amazing. And this is just a little $1.99 store brush. It's not anything special before y'all ask. And because the slip in that product is so good, you know, just a few run-throughs with that, and this whole section of my hair is detangled. This product now has been sitting in my hair before I hit record for probably about 10 minutes. Products with a crap ton of silicones in it, like Aussie Moist, and this is not me bashing them, but it's just the truth, that kind of product is providing slick, okay? So slick is basically going to be something that sits on top of your hair, and it makes your hair feel soft. But you can go back and look in the comment section, this is not just me saying this, that film ain't doing nothing for your hair but making it feel soft for a brief period of time. And that is why products like the 3-minute miracle really only need to be left in your hair 3 minutes. Like, you're not doing nothing more for it, leaving it in longer, because the longer you're leaving that in your hair, it does the opposite effect for you. Your hair actually starts to tangle and it's not absorbing in your hair, so all that film and stuff is just sitting on top of your hair. And I'm just going to clip this up and out of the way. All that's doing is just sitting on top of your hair, and immediately, yes, when you're immediately putting it on top of your hair, you're gonna feel like, oh my god, I have all this slip. And if you're in the shower and you're just trying to put something in your hair really quick, but over time, if you let that product even sit in your hair for about 5 minutes, you'll realize that you're having to apply more product. Your hair will feel tangled. I would have to like stock up on Aussie Moist because I was using so much of it in one wash day. Like, no exaggeration, y'all. When you rinse your hair out, it's like as soon as you start rinsing all that product out of your hair, it feels like there's literally just a film on top of your hair, because it really is a film. It's like almost like putting saran wrap on top of your curls. And some people feel like, you know, that's good, that's how you smooth down frizz and seal in moisture, and it's like, it's not for me. It's not for me. A $1 hair conditioner, and I'm just moving slow because I don't want to rip my hair. Everything in VO5 is water soluble, but of course it's a personal preference. But my point is, this doesn't have the methacones in it, okay? But that is literally absorbing into my hair. And this side will too. Like, there's the back one, it's already started to absorb. Within the next 5 minutes, this is gonna absorb as well. I hope this made sense. This was just a quick video on how to determine whether or not a product is actually providing slip for you versus whether it's providing just, you know, the illusion of it. Again, if something works for you, if Aussie Moist, if herbal hydration works for you, by all means continue to use it. This is just for people who have literally come to me asking me questions about, no matter what they're doing, a product is, you know, has stopped working on their hair is continuing to be frizzy, they can't hold styles, and it's because these products are not only not providing you slip, they leaving you hanging, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to leave all your questions on length retention and healthy hair journeys down below, because I will be including the answer to those questions in upcoming videos, and, you know, dedicating whole videos to certain topics. So let me know what you want to hear about in the comment section. If you made it all the way to the end of this video and you don't know what a cousin is, it's probably because you aren't one. So before you leave this video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and turn your notifications on so you can be a part of a special elite part of the cousins called the First Cousins. And I will see you guys in the next video.